This phone is very beautiful and sleek for a budget phone. It weighs just 199 grams, and while it is not super light, it is also not that heavy. I mean, we have seen heavier phones in the past. It feels solid in your hands, and it has AMO alloy metal frame that Infinix says mixes strong steel and aluminum, so it is tough but still stylish. I have got the burgundy red color here for this review, which I absolutely love, but you can also grab this phone in titanium gray, mountain shade, or shadow black. For what you get in the box, Infinix of course didn't disappoint, as you will get everything that is meant to be in the box, including wired headphones. For those who pre-ordered, you will get even more. A box that has an extra phone cover and a vacuum flask inside. For the price, I bought this phone for 304,000 naira, which is equivalent to $190, and it is available in only one storage option, which is the 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM. So back to the phone design. The back has a smooth finish, and I like how it doesn't pick up fingerprints. There is a big camera bump, which some people might not like, but personally I don't mind, and I think the camera design is beautiful. It has a triple camera setup, which I'll talk about later. Oh, and it is IP64 rated, so it can handle some dust and a splash of water. I wouldn't dunk it in a pool, however, but if it rains while you are out, you are probably fine. Now, the screen, which is a big deal for me, because if you spend a lot of time on your phone, you will agree with me that nothing is as annoying as a phone with a not so impressive display. The Infinix Note 50 has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1080p resolution, which has kind of become the standard for phones in this price range. Let me tell you this, the display of this phone looks sharp and the colors pop. And the always-on display has a collection of beautiful displays to choose from. It has a 144Hz refresh rate, which makes everything feel smooth. Whether you are scrolling through Instagram or playing games, the experience is fluid. It can hit up to 1300 nits of brightness, so it is great to use outdoors on sunny days without you, squinting. This phone runs on MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chipset, and I know a lot of you might start complaining about this chipset, but honestly speaking, this chipset is a solid mid-range processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. No expandable storage, so you should keep that in mind. And with this, you get to play your favorite mobile games on medium graphic settings and they will run smoothly. For daily stuff like texting, browsing, watching YouTube videos, it is fast and snappy. So for casual use and light gaming, this phone gets the job done. It runs on Android 15, Infinix XOS 15, which looks clean and has some cool AI tricks. There is this Folax assistant you can trigger with this power button here, which is handy for quick tasks like setting reminders or translating stuff. Speaking of AI, this phone is packed with a lot of AI features. Aside from Folax, which is the AI assistant for Infinix that has the DeepSeek AI embedded, we have the Folax Smart Touch, the call assistant, we have the translation assistant, the social assistant, the document assistant, the writing assistant, the AI notes, recording summary, AI wallpaper generator, AI cutout, Seco to search, and other AI features. So basically, it has all the AI features found on the sister device, the Tecno Camon 40. I wouldn't be going further to explain what these AI features do because I want this video to be as short as possible. But just like the AI names, they do exactly what the names imply, which I think are pretty useful for getting things done in faster and smarter ways. It has a 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, which is a plus for a budget phone. There is also a 2 megapixel macro lens and an AI lens, plus a 13 megapixel selfie camera. This one here is for the halo light effect for notifications, charging, calls, and other tasks. I took some shots with it and the main camera is solid in daylight or under good lighting. The colors are vibrant, the details are decent, not professional level but way better than I expected, and the OIS helps keep things steady, so no blurry pics if your hands gets to shake a little. Low light pictures are okay, not amazing but usable. The macro lens is just there. I mean, what more can 2 megapixel do? Selfies taken with the front camera are also decent. Also, pictures taken with this phone can be edited using the AI Studio, where you have access to some AI features like the AI eraser for removing unwanted objects from your photo, or even regenerating some part of your photo entirely. The video quality is also decent. It records at up to 2K resolution at 30 frames per second. It has the video stabilization feature, which only works when you record at 1080p 30 frames per second. The 5200 mAh battery in a phone is massive and can easily last anyone a full day, and sometimes even more when not used for gaming too much. It supports 45 watts fast charging, which is awesome, and you can charge it from 20% to full in about 45 minutes with the charger in the box. There is also 30-watt wireless charging, which is rare at this price. I don't have a wireless pad handy, but if you do, you should definitely try this out when you eventually buy this phone. For extra goodies, it has dual JBL tuned speakers that sounds loud and clear. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor that is very responsive, an IR blaster to control your home appliances. It has NFC, the latest Bluetooth version 5.4, and it also has a reverse wireless charging feature for charging other mobile devices like your other wireless charge-enabled phones. How cool is that? On the downside, it has no micro SD slot, so the 256GB is all you get. The camera bump sticks out a bit, so it wobbles on a table. Also, the camera pixels of this phone were kind of reduced from the 108 megapixel main camera and the 32 megapixel selfie camera we had on its predecessor, the Note 40. Now, to what I think about this phone, I think the Infinix Note 50 is a steal for a less than $200 phone. You are getting a gorgeous AMOLED display, solid performance, a big battery, more AI features than on some flagship phones, and a decent camera. All this in a tough, stylish package. It is perfect for students, casual users, or anyone who wants some flagship features for less. Now, to you watching this video, what do you think about this phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you like this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.